Well, first thing I want to say is that this video is not the usual comedic antics, great special effects, subscribe by the way, type of videos that I usually do. This is a much more serious tone. It's reminiscent of when I quit my job to do YouTube. Click the link or that thing up there to watch that video. But yeah, I actually did quit my job to the YouTube, and I know many of you probably laughed at me saying, yo, you're a dumbass, you probably won't make it. But guess what? No, I'm about to be verified to get monetized because I've reached all the requirements. Thank you so much to the people who believed in me and allowed this dream to be a reality. But here I am again, facing another great trial and tribulation. And allow me to clear up something, alright? I did not drop out of school. Alright. I did not choose to drop out of school this semester. School kicked me out. And it's not it's not because of academic performance. Oh no, it's not because of that. It's because I'm broke. It's because I don't have money. It's because I refuse to pay thousands of dollars because of some issue with my financial aid. Okay? They have my documents to do my financial aid, but to verify all of that is going to take a long time. And today, August 22nd, is actually supposed to be the deadline in which I pay my tuition, or else they're going to drop my classes. And well, they told me yesterday it's going to take 2 to 3 weeks for them to look over all the documents that I provided for them to get such financial aid. It's not my fault. I have no control over it. And I don't know what else to do. And I refuse to ask anybody to lend me any money so me can go to school. Because guess what? It's a Yaadman. Here's the thing about Yaadman. Yaadman is not living with his parents. Yaadman is not getting any type of financial aid from his parents or financial assistance from his family. Except for my brother who paid my phone bill. Big up yourself, for sure. But besides from that, I'm not getting any type of assistance. You get me? So, I know still yet a lot of you guys are going to want to call me a waste man and call me not ambitious. But guess what? Here's what I'm going to do with my time, because this semester I know that I will not be in school because of school policy, because I cannot afford to be in school. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do YouTube. I'm going to live my life. I'm going to do what I want to do because I refuse to live by anybody else's rules. I refuse to get a slavery 9-to-5 job to make someone else rich. And I refuse to fight a system that just wants to give me an over-glorified piece of paper called a degree. Because this is what I want to do. And it doesn't take a degree to make content. And I know that a lot of you guys know that I produce great content, and even much greater content and editing than a lot of people who are already greatly popular. Alright? So for the people then who's been supporting me since day 0, since day 1, since day 1+1, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate you. But right now I'm very frustrated and I don't know what else to do when it comes to school. Alright? I don't know. So right now me just gonna do my thing, and I am going to continue to create great content. And before I go, make sure to support me by buying the Yaadman t-shirts. The link is in the bio below at Locomotive Tees. Alright? And yo, if I man only can book me for the events. You see me I say? Book me for your events. And what else? Oh yeah, I also charge for promos. And I'm not saying this as a way to, help throw a little bit of dollars into my wallet that is clearly empty. I'm just saying this to help me live my dream. Alright, cool. Oh, and for you guys who want to know what school I went to, yeah, it's Kennesaw State University. They don't care about the students. And in fact, I'm going to do a video later on about showing you guys what life in America is like. Because a lot of people in third world countries don't know what life in America is like. But I'm just going to tell you the truth. Just like in our home countries, a lot of the universities here do not care about the students. Because I've tried and I've pleaded. All of this is out of my control. They just don't want me here because I don't have the money. Alright? So people them, big up on yourself. Later.